I understand that manual pool cleaning can be a chore, but what if I told you there's a way to keep your pool sparkling clean without all the hard work? Yes, you heard it right. Robot pool cleaners are the answer. These automated devices have revolutionized pool maintenance, making it efficient and effortless. They allow you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your pool while they do all the hard work. In this comprehensive guide, we will be examining the top 5 robot pool cleaners, providing you with detailed insights into their features and performance. Let's dive in. Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme by Maytronics is a true powerhouse in the world of pool cleaners. This robotic cleaner is engineered to handle the most challenging cleaning tasks. Equipped with dual scrubbing brushes, it effectively removes stubborn algae and debris. A potent jet stream ensures a thorough clean for your pool. Its advanced navigation technology maps your pool for optimal cleaning efficiency. This model is ideal for large or heavily used pools that require a robust cleaning solution. Moving on, AP Aquamate Apex. The AP Aquamate Apex is a perfect blend of performance and value. This mid-range marvel comes with dual spinning brushes that provide a comprehensive scrub, working in tandem with powerful suction to leave your pool spotless. Its standout feature is the built-in Wi-Fi and a user-friendly smartphone app that allows you to control and monitor cleaning cycles from anywhere. Set cleaning schedules, adjust settings, and even track the cleaner's progress, all from the convenience of your phone. It's the perfect combination of tech-savvy features and efficient cleaning power, offering excellent value for its capabilities. Next up, Polaris 9550 Sport. The Polaris 9550 Sport is a premium cleaner that offers a wide range of features. This model is known for its 4-wheel drive technology that ensures it covers every inch of your pool, expertly navigating steps and other terrain challenges. It also comes with a handy remote control for easy operation, allowing you to target specific areas or adjust its path on the fly. The Polaris 9550 Sport is equipped with Vortex vacuum technology, providing powerful suction to capture large debris and fine particles alike. It's designed for those who demand the best in pool cleaning technology and refuse to compromise on performance. Let's proceed to Hayward Aquavac AV500. The Hayward Aquavac AV500 prioritizes reliability and user-friendliness. Known for its ease of operation, this robotic cleaner effectively cleans both your pool's floor and walls. Its straightforward design means less time fiddling with settings and more time enjoying your pool. The AV500 focuses on efficient, thorough cleaning without complicated features or unnecessary complexity. It's a hassle-free solution for pool owners who want results with minimal fuss and want to spend their free time relaxing by the pool, not programming their cleaner. Finally, Zodiac MX8. Last but not least, the Zodiac MX8 is a pool cleaning beast built to handle large pools with lots of debris. Its 4-wheel drive system conquers challenging terrain with ease, effortlessly navigating steps, slopes, and uneven pool bottoms. Heavy-duty suction eliminates even stubborn leaves and branches, ensuring nothing gets left behind. The Zodiac MX8 is built with durability in mind, using robust materials designed to withstand heavy use and the harsh pool environment. It's a must-have for demanding pool environments where a powerful and reliable cleaner is essential. So, there you have it, folks. The top 5 robot pool cleaners, each with its unique strengths tailored to meet your specific needs. When choosing a cleaner, remember to consider your pool size, budget, and the level of cleaning power you need. I hope this comprehensive guide has helped you narrow down your options. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest in pool maintenance technology. Until next time, happy swimming!